Hello everyone. Today we are going to listen to the story Liam the Leprechaun Loves to Fart. And this book is written and illustrated by Humor Heals Us. I thought that was pretty cool. This is Liam the Leprechaun. Liam the Leprechaun Loves to Fart by Humor Heals Us. Leprechauns are like small elves. They always dress in green. They're mischievous and magical and rarely ever seen. Mischievous means they're always playing tricks or pranks on someone. They're up to no good, but in a fun way. They have a hidden pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, but if you try to follow them, you won't have any luck. No! Liam is a leprechaun with a very special skill. He does amazing magic farts. The smell could almost kill. There's Liam the leprechaun, leaving his stinky farts. His farts are loud and powerful and also very smelly, so be careful not to get too close or your knees will turn to jelly. Ooh. If people try to force him to lead them to his gold, a magic fart he'll soon let rip, then they won't be so bold. There's Liam farting away the people. They'll grab their nose and hold their breath and quickly run away. All attempts to find his gold will need to wait for another day. His farts can shoot him up in the air, and with one mighty blow, Liam will fly across the sky, holding on to a beautiful rainbow. Oh, those are some powerful farts. Leprechauns are sneaky. They visit homes at night. In their constant search for gold, if you wake, they'll flee in fright. Ooh. You don't want to be seen. But Liam Leprechaun does not sneak well. Although he tries his best, people wake up when he farts, so finding gold's a test. One day, some evil ogres found Liam's pot of gold. They planned to steal it and be rich, but that plan did not unfold. I wonder what's going to happen to the ogres. For Liam Leprechaun was prepared. He faced them with his rear and let off stinky magic farts that made the ogres flee in fear. He even made the ogres run away. Those are some mean monsters. Now Liam guards all pots of gold because of his brave acts. With his powerful secret weapon, he fends off all attacks. Liam now gets a percentage of all the gold they find because he's the keeper of the pots and has to stay behind. He found a lucky 4-leaf clover and jumped around in glee. Glee means he's happy. But a sudden fart blew one leaf off, and now there's only 3. It's right here in the picture. He found a lucky 4-leaf clover, but his fart is so powerful, just like it blows Liam into the air, it blew a leaf off the 4-leaf clover. That's why we only have 3 leaves on a clover. That Liam. Leprechauns like all things green in their food and drink, but no matter what poor Liam eats, his magic farts still stink. Leprechauns are pranksters. They're always playing tricks. Liam sneaks up unannounced and farts loudly for kicks. He likes to play jokes on his friends. I don't think his friends like it. Even in the swimming pool, when there's no sign of trouble, Liam does a silent fart and makes a big wave bubble. There's Liam farting in the pool. One day they held a meeting, all the leaders of the leprechaun nations. Liam released such a huge fart, it caused mass evacuation. When you evacuate, that means you have to quickly leave from somewhere because it's not safe. The leprechauns are evacuating because of Liam. No. Now Liam wears a letter F on his pants wherever he goes. It's a warning that he's a farter, so everybody knows. So if you see a leprechaun with an F upon his pants, it doesn't mean his name is Fred, and don't let him near your plants. Because if he farts, your plants will wilt, and they'll probably die, or else he'll take off like a flash across the rainbow sky. There goes Liam on his rainbow. Liam the farting leprechaun is sure a sight to see, but he's much better seen than smelled, and that's a tip from me. There goes Liam the leprechaun. The end. Happy St. Patrick's Day, and I hope you've all enjoyed the read aloud, Liam the Leprechaun Loves to Fart by Humor Heals Us. I hope for the very special Liam that I know that you enjoyed listening to this book, and for all you other little Liams out there, I hope you had a great laugh from the story, and I hope you all have a wonderful and lucky St. Patrick's Day.